there was discussion on the re-establishment of the Great Council of Chiefs, which Cabinet approved the following legislative changes. These are required to take place before the total reinstatement of the Great Council of Chiefs. First, the amendment to the ITaukei Affairs Act of 1944 to provide for the re-establishment of the GCC. Second, amendment to Section 15 of the ITaukei Trust Fund Act of 1944 to enable the funding of the GCC to come under the ITaukei Trust Fund. The draft amendment bills will be presented at the next Cabinet meeting for review before it is tabled in Parliament. At the moment, we cannot have a fully fledged GCC because the legislations to bring it into being have not been passed by Parliament. I was told that the insurance rebuilding negotiations are already done. I was told that it would begin this year. We're towards the end of this year, and that has not been done.